Here's how to efficiently design a sales territory in just 90 seconds. Step 1. Analyze your market. Identify target customer locations, rep locations, and use data like customer demographics, buying behavior, and sales potential. Heat maps are a great way to visualize this data. Step 2. Build your territories from the ground up. So group your customers geographically, or you can do point-based, to create compact territories, and generally speaking, use zip codes as the building blocks. Step 3, use a workload index. Workload indexes really do improve the quality of the designs so that each territory has an equal workload, but also consider sales potential and other objectives that are important to your business. Step 4, match territories to the reps based on maybe their vertical, maybe they're an expert in a certain vertical, maybe they have particular product expertise, strong customer relationships. But it's a great idea to match the skill set to the territory. And step 5, monitor and adjust. Your market is changing, the dynamics change month to month, you have sales turnover. So constantly adjusting to ensure that you have optimized territories is a really good ongoing strategy. There you go, 5 steps.